In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize Quick Access Toolbar in Microsoft Excel. The Quick Access Toolbar, often called the QAT, is that small row of icons at the very top of Excel. It's designed to keep your most used actions just one click away, no matter which ribbon tab you're on. Customizing it is a quick win for productivity, and I'll walk you through the easiest ways to make it your own. Start by opening Excel. Any workbook will do, even a blank one. Look to the top left corner of the window for the Quick Access Toolbar. You'll usually see icons like Save, Undo, and Redo. At the end of that row, there's a small downward arrow. Click that arrow to open the built-in list of popular commands. From this list, add your frequently used actions. Common choices are New, Open, and Quick Print. When you click an item, it's added immediately to the toolbar and you'll see the icon appear up top. Keep it focused on what you truly use to prevent clutter. You can always return to this menu later to fine-tune your selection. Another fast way to customize is right from the ribbon. If there's a button you use all the time, maybe Format Painter, Sort, Freeze Panes, or Refresh, just right-click that command and choose Add to Quick Access Toolbar. This is perfect for tools that aren't in the default QAT list. As soon as you add it, the icon appears on the toolbar and stays accessible, regardless of which tab you're viewing. For deeper control, click the same drop-down arrow on the QAT and choose More Commands. This opens the Quick Access Toolbar section in Excel Options where you can see two panels, available commands on the left and your current toolbar on the right. Use the lists at the top to browse popular commands or switch to all commands to see everything. Select a command on the left, click Add to move it to your toolbar, and use the up and down arrows on the right to set the exact order you want. If something no longer earns its spot, select it on the right and click Remove. You can also choose to show the toolbar above or below the ribbon, depending on your screen space and preference. If you ever want to start fresh, the reset option is available in this window as well. You can reach the same customization screen through File, then Options, then Quick Access Toolbar. Use whichever path you prefer. That's it. With a few thoughtful additions, your most important Excel actions are always a single click away, helping you work faster and stay focused.